last one. You feel to be a deal with him a rain. You see pray Gaza straight. You know, masicka, me not gonna tell you a lie, no, bro God. You's a good artist. You see me a deal with? Look how you come. You say man you fight against your bro God. You say man you fight against your career dog. You say conscience done your career, conscience deal with you, your conscience not give you no mic, conscience not put you in a studio, you know, make you up on the hot rhythm, them member. You ball, you scream out and teach. I hear you as a young gen out there DJ and sitting and them and say, alright, you know what? Me go put on the brother, you're wicked. Cause remember, you know, masicka, we are here about you a long time, you know, but you never get a hit song until level come out. Which one? Which one I choose them man cartel deal with? None of them are the power level. I don't think I hit that. Which one? I want to teach you a bad channel. What did you name? Wait. We can't find it, you know, I just not hear right now come first. I have to do it in the first program. Infrared. My dog them have to live. My dog them have to live. Fuck back again, you know them whole. Who not like how we all live ground. Remember that song the boss here, masicka. Masicka. Big man thing, bro God. Remember that song the boss here. Yeah, DJ long time and we are here about you, you know, bro God. Your crocodile style and sitting where you try to go off a high down here. Remember, say you that try hard, you're stifling our business. Remember, no man no answer, none of you distract them, no matter how you did hard. Remember that. Nobody no answer you, dog. You see, pray and teach you open the heart. And he hand them to you and say, alright, brother, let me do a tune. No, you see me I do it. My dog them have to live, but my dog them have to live. Fuck about girl, not them who not like how we live ground. But and the man put you on, bro God. He man put you to the front and say, yo, you know me about the song that run the place? Feel? How the first tune you have to run the place, dog. You see me that song there. And you where you come from with this king thing already, bro God? You know just come to the whole out just come in a dance hall and the whole out and run down kingship in a kingdom. Money not the reach nowhere in a dance hall yet. Brother, you know do a decade in a dance hall yet, you know. Not even a decade, you know do. Pop can't do a decade. Him for be more king than you. Me bomb, bro God, you don't do in a dance hall a decade yet. We not hear about your 5 years yet in a bro God. Not even half a decade. You know in a dance hall yet. But you are run down kingship. Oh yo, the whole of the look just come artist, the whole of the friend what the all fat boy squash me here with it, boy. Him man thinking about heavy D, boy. Oh, squash our next king and the what I'm doing now this king thing. Wanna do some work in a dance hall and shut up. Who no need to do some work in a dance hall and shut up. You know which music I sell? Afrobeat. Then thief on a style and turn it in a Sydney Afrobeat and the African them and beer food. The African them are use an accent and I make beer money. The African them are DJ like you know and I make beer money on and I make none. All when they get up and do a fight for king or dance. Dancehall is not even a genre. Afrobeat is a genre now, you know? And past dancehall and look how long dancehall there. Look how long dancehall there, so. And Afrobeat can pass out that. Afrobeat pass out that, you know, that the whole of them rich. The Vida, them, Burner Boy, them, the whole of them, Charge them, the whole of them, all of them over there. Afrobeat, the whole of them over Africa, the whole of them rich after I sang them. Me telling you that. The whole of, bro God, me not ask you, know. Afrobeat, the whole of them, they're rich, half a phone. But every day on the get up on the ball out on the scream out, who don't want to be king of, me the king of dancehall, me. Who don't need to be the king of money? Who don't look at journey and I make no money, no contract. Afrobeat, man, they have contract. Afrobeat, right now, the king of dancehall for me, a brother boy. I my king, give him it. You boy make big money, Ferrari, them man, they drive. Lamborghini, Stocks of money down the man there. But then, who don't come in on look at that video, them at Jamaica, who don't look at $5,000 bill, them with a shame. Phone a blood clot Highland and $5,000 bill shows on a broke. This is me I deal with me killer. Don't come in charge them the whole of Burner Boy, them with Burner Boy, them in a video. A bill, $100 bill, stocks and stuff. 100,000 of that and 100,000 of this a blood clot and there's 100 more thousand a ground. You see me I deal with that are millions of Jamaica like a dollar them, my God. I want to get up every day, I want to ball out to a king, I want to beat, I want to tumble like on a King Kong. And the sister, I want to broke down there. Who don't know the 2, 3, not 4 years in a dance hall and the wall on a king. You have 2, 3 hot songs, you're king. Friday you have 2 little tune, have about $2 or $3 million on YouTube, you're king. From once you have 2 little songs, we get like a year play, you're king. That's how the king thing go. You see what you talk about king in a dance hall? From you have 2, 3 songs with the here top 10. Yeah, blood clot king. I are winning. You see from once you see the people attack you like a slang them, your face say you're king, you everybody a king. You can't tell Chronic Class say man a king, you can't tell Big Belly Squash say man a king, you can't tell Bomba the idiot, Gigi laughy, Bomba Clot Masicka say he man a king. The whole of them a king, the whole of them a man just come. The what? What do we start here about them little man? Jesus Christ, me never hear Bounty Killer ball out for Kingship yet. And that puzzle me, you know say it puzzle me. It don't puzzle me, it haunt me. Why Killer never ball out for Kingship yet? I always the man won't do for dancehall. No, do for dancehall like how Killer do it. You see, dancehall stay right and how Bounty Killer make it stay that way. Yeah. God know. If I lie, me I tell somebody to strike me. Me say too, if anybody fi ball out and get kingship without nobody talk about Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer give with this a generation of dancer. Everybody want DJ now because of Bounty Killer why then there. You see me I did Buju a mix man in there. You can't put him in a too much dance. Buju a mix man. You know till Shiloh and he might do for him like a Rasta thing more while and then he did done say yo from them time the body rider and blah blah but that a long time. But you can't put him too much in a dance and thing because them man they are like a fun pack. You see me? Mix pack. Him man a variety pack. You see me I deal with so you can't put them on their dance hall. Them man they are just legend. You see me? Buju is a legend. Them man they legendary. You see me I deal with Buju in a class by himself. You have to put Buju with man like Bob Marley and Dennis Brown. Them me don't put Buju there. So I not tell you no lie. Them man they are historic man. You see me? Doesn't even not feel the same when I say it go. You see me? But to me not put Buju against them man. Yeah. Like Cartel them man. Them man no man. Them man in a league by for themselves. Teacher the king of the new age. Yeah, we know that teacher the king of the new age. But you're a legend. Them man they not fit them thing. You see me I deal with them man they past participle. You know what is that? Go and get to the dictionary and go look up what is the past participle. That's not even the past, it past that. You see, pray. So you know how it go. You can't put Buju there so. But you know Vibes Cartel are the king of the new age. Remember, a 2 pussyclad decade cartel in a dancehall dog and the man a reign for the 20. Alright, the man there in a dancehall from 2000. This is our 2019. A 20 years. Cartel in a dancehall, you know. 2020, they right just a slap in our face like someone on the girl jazz them, you know. 20 years. Cartel in a dancehall a reign and the name relevant for the 20 fucking years. You can't take kingship from them man. And at 20 years, the man relevant in a dog. Cartel is relevant for 20 years. You know what would that feel like? No boy can't come right here so come tell me what they feel like. Masicka, you look a boy, shoes lace, a joke thing. You see me, David? World boss, give it 20 years of music, bro, God. 20 years, the man sit down on the pussy clot tune, bro, God. You see me? The man not even sit down on the tune for 20 years, you know. The man working way up for 20 years, so you can't take with that from him. The man work and the man stay consistent. The man coming like, you know who him remind me of? Floyd Mayweather. To me, Vybz Kartel undefeated. Him is the undisputed champion. Them man ya. 20 years. You think a little bit of clash them man they go in and broke boy neck. Him and war with assassin and murder that. Him and war with boy when Foxy Brown man the name? Yeah, him. A whole heap of man chop off movie head, the man chop off couple man head, the man down here the go off a dog one night time and the man slap one shot alone pan down here and left him bleeding. You see me I deal with a whole heap of things. My father not give it 20 years yet, man, them man they after the fact. My father in a dancehall right now about 13 or 14 year dog and don't run me down. Do not run me down. No, run me down. And man, never gonna show you which part David Brooks' first song start from. You hear that? Him not reach 20 years in a dancehall yet. None time. You get that? Yes. Vybz Kartel relevant from back in the day. From Hardy Bantan days too, you remember same name I call, you know, relax. You see me? Enough look at things teacher do. So if the unu can't tell no man say teacher and a king of this, the man stay relevant for 20 years and chop off enough boy head in the making. The man war for him tune. My father can't say war for him tune. The man teach a war, yes, one little fight. You know teacher bust him on a one war. You see me I deal with which teacher still bust beer shot in a barber face and shoot off the barber. You see me period? Yeah, them man they fight for him tune. And I'm not joke thing. Masicka, you can't come, brother. And I come tell me, boy, you're not king, bro, God. You're not a new king, bro, God. You know war, no, man. You sing your bag of war song, them, but which man retaliate? Who come have a firm war with you? Who you can't say a war for you tune? You know war, no, man, for you tune, bro, God. Who no come in a age with sting and them thing, they not even a keep on them ready, you know, bro, God. Who no get in a mic age, you know, YouTube age, you know, bro, God. Who no get in a look at YouTube age, you know, a sound, say, run place because a SoundCloud and YouTube, you know. Back in the day, a stage show boy use and know, so we run place, we clash boy, you don't have champions in action, don't have sting. West Kingston Jamboree, no, nothing about them look a thing down at Fox, high down here, Movie and Cartel them, bro, God. You see, pre, them man there. You can't come war for no kingship neither, because down here a bigger king for you, Masicka, me I tell you that straight. Down here war for him, war, you know, my friend. Remember say down here bad friend, him I say, no, me not feel in a black for bad, me in a all white. Remember that, you know, bro, God. A whole heap of things, my J. You can't just come, my J, and just come talk about, say, yo, you have a couple of views on YouTube, and you go up on foreign TV, and a king, bro, God, and a side thing, bro, God. You have to earn your keeps in a this, bro, God. Fight for this. Show man say you deserve this youth. And another thing like gonna can't go say, yo man have couple ups out song, girl them a bounce up them body drop and man and couple boy a sing me tune them and I saw the thing go, bro, God. Work. Gaza work for years, youth. A years we are working at this, my friend. At 20 years, me there's a teacher bite the boy, them hot in them neck like a blood. You see me? The rat while of the dance all the time and neck him all, you know. See, pray? They want to hold on our cheese tricks, bad man. You see me? When just a come. When not even earn on yourself as a Jenna yet. When tell me so when a Jenna, when not even sure we yet. When ever tell me so when a Jenna, when a killer, when a this, when a that. Prove on yourself. You have to prove on yourself, bro, God. And I say, think, go, you can't come call down the kingship on yourself. You think so nobody did? A teacher is get up and talk about say I'm a king? No. And not even teacher say I'm a world boss. Neither so pimp them call him and that. World boss. As a teacher make his song. World boss. I saw him man call him man. I saw him them call teacher world boss. And I saw it come. And I saw we call him king. I saw him know. You think the teacher did ever come here so come tell you about welcome the king of the dancehall. Even Beanie, I him brand for himself like a stove. You see, pre? Him can't tell me say him are the king of the Bombay pan floor against all. We walk down the Lembani, them sugar that's all. Welcome the king. You never hear a boss tell us yet. More than teacher put out him album in a 2016 was the king of the dancehall. Because he did have an upcoming fish where I say 2016 him a go run the place. So teacher say, yo, you know what make me drop a blood clot king of the dancehall album. And even for the album they all know him man no call himself king. He man just label the album so, cause some boy did I say 2016 them a go run the place. You see me? The place never get run because our album beat off. Next level. I say the new level unlock. Yeah, remember the album that did beat off new level unlock, man. Remember so that year they would drop the famous Fever. Why when I wait for baby everything Chris. Remember all Cardi B I wind up on it. You don't know as a Rihanna she ever twerk. You know what, dog, I'm here. Don't size up on a little self. When you come in and dance along, when you two little tune them on a year and play on Zip and High FM and the one a little Jamaica local channel, them on the thing can run the place. Stop it. Some of them not even make 99 jams. I want to run the place. Wanna do not run the place. Wanna is not no king. No sell a platinum album yet. No sell gold. Rascal, that Charlie Blacks to be the king right now. Them man they come over and go sell platinum. You know see it? Girl, you a party animal. You party. You like Dirty Blood Clot Yankee Club, them you go up and say, you party animal and play your fuck. Go in a higuan as you see Yankee them a wind up to party animal. Platinum is sell. None of them in a dancehall now sell platinum, gold, nor silver, not even blood clot bronze. One not sell, but to not king. Shut up! Cartel name go up on platinum already with Who Run the World, Girls, Who Run the... and many other songs because Cartel write that song there. He was one of the writers in that song there, you know. Alongside Neo and couple more writers. Relax. We do not sell no platinum, no have no views them by YouTube or not make it lick on a blood clot chip in a youth. We don't chip lick because this is what they sell to me. I just, you see me? I shoot, do not like it shoot. I mean I like that because masicka now, what you say you do for dance have you become king now? What? You have crips in a cup? Crocodile? That you do? Bro God, relax. Chill. Me not argue with you, bro God. Do what you do, chill. Yeah. Sing your song them. Work. You think say when Cartel come out, we couldn't understand teacher, you know. But the song they need bad. She said me, I did number one, she gets some funny, she said, come in at the vagina. She said, like, condominium before, no disease, sexual, smoke, me no, pussy, no, everyone me to, who never understand my dog, I say, so me have ready for you, come. Hey, when the girl them feel this thing, the girl them say we are the realest thing, who have up the most queen, this king. Hey, and me make she sing. You know what? Remember, see that was teacher. When teacher come out and sing them bad tune, them bro God. Up to the time. You think teacher that tell me say man a king, bro God? Them time them man just come and have hot up a place and the place well steamy. This man from 90s make you know where all the pint is. Boy never mind him bumbo clot business. You remember they you know? Said them the time the teacher run the whole place, my friend. Yes, it be a the military rhythm. Any man make a step. Yes, it be a come on, I shoot. Yes, it be a there. The whole military rhythm me dog a tear down. Them the time the cartel not tell nobody say man no king and a dancehall. Yes, it be a the come on. When feel this thing dropping out, the sickest thing I wrote, When the girl them feel this thing, the girl them say we are the realest thing. Who have up the most queen, this king. Hey, I mean, make sure see. Them the time the teacher not tell nobody say, brother, you just come them the time. And when the teacher just drop a road, none of them never hot like him. Them the man they hot. Them man they a toaster. When them man they touch a road, my friend. Them the man they have a whole thing like girl song like. You man have be a war song. Everything where you can think of, my friend. The man it was a variety pack, my friend. You see me? The man work for him keeps youth. I shoot. Una son look at you to come here now in on YouTube age and not even have to work hard like teacher them. Teacher them work hard, my friend, before YouTube. You see, pre? Ah. Una joke a dog, enough things go on and when them on the road. Them man they never did a talk about a kingship like come here una go on and them man that tear down FM zip. The man them every one of them fame, every one of FM them you can think of daddy. RJR. But now, as you come on soon, look at 1 and 2 and 3 million views per YouTube. Una king. Yo, man, a king in the earth. It was on a king now. From the views, they move from 700,000 to 3-4 million. Everybody a king. Everybody a king. How much crown? How much crown? A so kingship easy to get. Brother. Missing man, dip on the tune, and one dead and make sure so then put drip on him. Cause if him dead and his son are gonna be the king and the man not leg on the tune. You think that's so kingship go? Man dip on the tune and those are dead, but dead and a beard dripping man dip on just with him crown around his head. I heard about the Queen Elizabeth. That woman they not dead, you know. You know see how long you man a queen? Eh? In a full creation of age, all our age right now. Now one queen, no, and Elizabeth. Eh? Yeah, I shoot. Elizabeth not dead. That woman not dying, she not come off I shoot. Did them love the fucking tune to their heart. So when the whole want to come down and come talk about yo, king, 7 million views by YouTube, you know. You listen up, Masicka, you never win Artist of the Year yet, you know. You never get Artist of the Year yet. The first year as Cartel Bossing get Artist of the Year. I swear go ask Stone Love. Go ask Stone Love if you think I lie me at tell, Masicka. You must know for Mr. Paul. Go ask the man them. The first year as teacher jump out type pack in win Artist of the Year. I know you don't get it yet. But you're a king. How? Stop making million them food. Them will take off the views them off of YouTube, you know. Like creep down the views them. Like no put no views, just make your video stay up there. You must know that. Say all I want to get up on a ball boy Artist of the Year. None of them never win Artist of the Year as on start DJ yet. Some of them still not win it yet. I don't even remember if my father ever was one. I swear to God. The amount of time teacher win it if you stop it now. And nobody put it out on the market no more. Me say Queen of England not dead. You hear that? She will never die. She not get up that she one day. Remember, you know, you have to like y'all weird panny, you know. Because if them man turn king, them a queen, you know. The queen not dead, so. One king, my friend, man. You don't go look on that. You see, bro? Come the one on look at views on YouTube, relax. Someone will not even get airplay out of Jamaica, but you not talk. But king. Masicka, yes, we see you go on foreign TV. That not change nothing, dog. Still work. Your work ethics not reach kingship yet. Entrance. Free the teacher, man. I want two, man. I want king, man. I want to Gaza, my friend. I want to. You see that? Can't believe you. We stretch we are now as a Gaza fraternity and I say you buy it with. That's why I tell teacher to stop the song we do now. Cause you now hold it, dog. You always a white teacher and at the end of the day. You not even work in a dance hall, but you run down it tune. You not make no effort. No, you not reach one billboard yet, you not do nothing, you come on, man. You stop the foolishness, man, I'm free teacher. Make the whole of them look a fool at this. Come on, man. A one side, man, and a Gaza side, man. You see, pre? Gaza too loving, you see that Capricorn boy there when he in cartel? He dog full of too much love. One of the things the cartel have hate in him, no. I just if you ramp with a Capricorn, we get bitter. You see me? But the boy they full of too much love, man. I be help you help. And every time you help them, like a same little marker dog, you then turn around and come bite you right in your side. Stop, give mongrel them lamp pile make them grow, man. You see me? Oh, I'm telling you, man, a Gaza, man, one way.